Viltrox is killing it this year. Today I'm going to review the Viltrox 85mm f2 EVO lens. This is one of the most compact short telephoto lens with an aperture ring I've used so far. I think Viltrox just made my travel dream lens. Hello everyone, my name is Andrei Dima, I'm a professional travel photographer and I love reviewing lenses in beautiful locations. So if that is your thing, subscribe. The photos in this review were taken in León and Gijón, Spain. So the EVO series is going to be between the Air and Pro series, keeping the features of the Pro and adding the compactness of the Air series. To make this possible, as you already saw, this is an f2 lens, but there are some other things that made this lens compactness possible that I'm going to explain later. The EVO lens, like most Viltrox Pro lenses, is very well built. Metal body, metal mount. On the mount you can find an USB Type-C port for future updates and a rubber gasket because this lens is weather sealed. The aperture ring is metal, it has clicks, but it can be also declicked with this switch on the side of the lens. The ring is well damped and it is a joy to use. It can also be locked in A, and it locks firmly in place as you can see here. The focus ring is metal, turns smoothly and it is well damped. On the other side you have an AF/MF switch and a function button that you can set as you please to make your life easier. The design of the lens is modern and simple. It has engraved markings and the subtle grey EVO badge. The Viltrox logo is also small. I like that. No big branding is a plus in my opinion. I also really like this square orange here that helps you mount the lens on your camera. The weight of the lens is 340 grams, really good in my opinion for travel. The minimum focus distance is 74 centimeters. Very good for an 85mm lens, but more on this later. The optical structure is 10 elements in 8 groups. It has 9 aperture blades and the filter size is 58mm. The autofocus for photography is fast and reliable. Here is another change Viltrox made to keep this lens smaller. They used an STM motor like on the Air lenses and not a VCM motor like on the Pro line. But the AF is fast and reliable and I haven't missed a shot while I used the lens for this review. When it comes to video, the autofocus is really good, but it is slightly louder than the VCM motor. You can hear it moving if you keep your ear close to the lens. Also related to video is focus breathing, which is noticeable, but not the worst I've seen. For a lens under $300, this is okay in my opinion. Chromatic aberrations. Good news, they are very well controlled. There is no purple fringing wide open. Very good. Local longitudinal chromatic aberrations are visible at f2 and they go away at f4, but they are not that visible to begin with. Flare. This lens performs very well. I took this photo against the sun and look how well it performed. Image quality. When it comes to color, you get a modern look with natural colors. No vintage look here. The sharpness and contrast are really good starting from f2. The center looks amazing, tack sharp with good contrast and micro contrast. The same with the mid-frame, tack sharp with great contrast, and the corners look good as well until the very far edge, which is slightly softer, but as I said, the really far edge. This is impressive in my opinion. The bad news is that the lens has some heavy vignetting wide open. Stopping down to f4 makes the image perfect from corner to corner and the vignetting is less visible now. Stopping down to f5.6 only improves the vignetting. The image is already super sharp as I said earlier. When it comes to image quality at minimum focus distance, which is 74 centimeters, this lens is sharp from f2 with really good contrast and micro contrast as you can see here. This is great because other lenses, more expensive, need to be stopped down to f2.8 to get this sharp at the minimum focus distance. When it comes to bokeh, depending on the distance between you and your subject, the bokeh is a bit busy, but the closer you get, the nicer it looks. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Sunstars. You get some decent looking sunstars if you stop down to f8 or f11. Nice for a lens like this. Overall, an impressive lens for the money. What a great idea from Viltrox to make a lens like this. Compact, affordable, great image quality starting from f2, no chromatic aberrations, great minimum focus distance, performance, wide open, and amazing build quality with pro level features like weather sealing. This Viltrox 85mm f2 EVO lens is going to be my go-to 85 for travel and street. The price is also amazing, $276. So if you are looking for a lens like this, I highly recommend it. It is a no-brainer for the price. I can't wait for them to make more EVO lenses and also release them for the Fujifilm X mount. If this video was helpful, please subscribe. This helps me grow the channel and make more videos for you to watch. Also, if you want to support the channel even more, use the affiliate links in the description at no extra cost to you. And check out my presets packs and written reviews on my website. Thank you for watching. See you next time.